Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Start Studio Gallery, and I've got some ideas. And I'm going to prime this black canvas black again with some wet paint, because I noticed that I made too thin of a coat the last time. So I'm not willing to take a chance on having strange anomalous marks in the background. But I know that I can definitely make it. Oh, and that reminds me, the Meat and Black that's on my Amazon link that I'm always calling the blackest black, that will cover in one coat if you don't do it too thinly, is back on my Amazon link. So check that out. I was still trying to do it too thin, but it's going to be okay. And I've got a rack behind me, and I'm going to move this out of the way and make my color, my rainbow colors up that I'm going to scoop out of. I'm going to use the trimmed down scoop made from the packaging from a Sharpie marker. That does not belong. Come here, thing that does not belong. I think I shortchanged myself just enough to be irritating. So let's just fix that right now. And take that second thing out of there. I don't like taking a lot of time to prime a canvas, as you might notice. But I would like a nice wet layer of paint that's not too heavy, so that when I drag my shovel out, or my scoop rather, it won't be a problem. And there is Floetrol mixed into my Meat and Black paint. I mentioned that that was the blackest black, didn't I? I'll say it again. It's awesome stuff. Let's make sure I can actually see. Yes. Okay, I can see. I have a dish of Sharpie covers right there to show you what I'm talking about. There's a clean one. There's a used one. And they will be scooping paint up out of this pan. And I'm going to use a little 8x10 canvas just to rest things. And I'm going to start with my Fandango. And I really want this to work. This is a combination of Neptunes Gaze and Frozen. These are Prism Pour colors. You go back and forth 2 times and hope that they don't spread so fast that I can't get all my colors down. I don't know how this is going to work. It worked a prior time. Okay, let's keep going in the right direction. This is Blue Velvet. That was Cerulean Blue. Absolutely fabulous colors. Totally gorgeous. And then I've got my new favorite Blackberry. Black Raspberry, excuse me. Looks like it's going to go further than I expected. And then I've got Pink Diamond. I used to put a layer of paint underneath, but I wasn't sure that I should do that this time. So I might be learning a hard lesson, but I hope not. That is Tuscan Sun and Unicorn Spit. And I actually made another color, which is the new Orange Crush, and the Tuscan Sun, which is a lighter color. This is, I believe, not the right color. This is the Big Apple and the Orange Crush. And I think I'm going to sneak in some Pink Carnation right before I put in my final poinsettia. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I love that color. So I've got 2 pinks in there. Oh well, never mind. And here comes my poinsettia. I'm going to switch that around so when I scoop it up, the first thing out will be the red. Let me get some of these things out of my way for a moment so I don't start knocking things over. I was originally going to use just a line of the black medium and draw it out with a spatula, But once I saw the canvas, that changed my mind. Let me throw that in the bucket. Cross your fingers, would ya? I'm going to use the biggest one of these I have to start with. And I'm going to start as far over as I can. I want to do a diagonal. It occurs to me there's no yellow in there and I should have put some yellow in there. I guess I figured the gold would have to do that. How far will it go? I'm never going to make it to the edge unless I go really super slow. Well, that was my bad for starting so far over in the canvas. I think if I'm really patient, not my forte, I might be able to get this to go all the way to the edge. I did it. Wow. Okay. Is there a lesson there? There might be. I'm going to wipe off the bottom so I don't have rogue colors. And I'm going to put that in another dish and use a clean one. I'm going to try and be a little quicker. I want all that purple. And I'm not getting any of the green at all. Which to me means that I should be doing something a little different. Like maybe putting more green in there. I'm not getting any of the blues either. I think I'm just going to change my plan. Now if that were dry I could wipe it off. So I'm just going to use the colors that I've got in my scoops already. And back up the chuck. And reverse my order so that I get the colors that I was missing. And the residual paint in the scoop will help let the other paint flow out, because paint will flow to paint. I just posted a little detail that I stole from one of the videos when I did that other piece of artwork. Now, I'm not too thrilled with that red. So I'm just going to roll it up. Onto a skewer. And grab another scoopful. And yes, I know I dripped. Oh, these are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I might want to manipulate the end of that green with a skewer, or just add a dot in there, which is probably smarter. We shall see. I don't actually mind the rounded ends. Let me clean that off of any colors using my fingers. Alright, now I guess I should go from either up here, which is probably my next plan, or on the other side, and we'll see how I feel about it when I get there. I'm going to change my trajectory around again. I love how these colors are behaving, to tell you the truth. They're just the right weight. Can't go too fast. You won't get all the variations. They're going to be so sparkly. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Prism Pour paints. I would really love to be able to have that orange come out. I guess I get some of it, I should be happy. Alright, so I'm feeling like one more down here is not a bad idea. And I'm not sure about the other side. I'm going to scrape up my residuals and risk that. I might be sorry. Or it might be perfectly fine. Now I've got, that's pretty cool. My plan was to put purple around things and some gold, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to take a partial, which leaves me one left. Got a little black from having not wiped off the bottom. The black came from the wet paint on the canvas. So you want to remember to wipe off the bottom of your... Just don't like that little hole there. I'm okay with that. I've got enough paint. This time I'm going to wipe off my bottom. Yay, I got it. I think I could have used a lot more paint. And I was certainly going to swipe, but I'm not so sure I want to do that anymore. I would have swiped through some gold. I'm thinking that I might have enough colors. If I work hard at scraping out my container, so they're not uniform. Oh well. They're none of them totally uniform anyway. I should grab a little Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I'm going to have to do another one in the way I was talking about doing, with running a line of gold around. Now, do I leave my dot or do I add more dots? I'm not sure, but I could definitely dot with the squeeze bottles. I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll just give myself permission to add a few dots. Because I kind of like them breaking up the design. It's not a precision process. Whoops, almost. Almost got one by accident. Kind of feel like adding some Chantilly lace. So this one's not about the cells. And I'm definitely feeling like I could get away with a few more dots. This is the Mayan gold. And there may still be some Chantilly lace coming. I haven't completely made up my mind yet. But this is going to be totally beautiful under the light. That looks pretty good. For balance as far as that goes. There's no right or wrong direction so far. I'm loving that Fandango, especially with that color I mixed. I'm wondering if I might want to indulge myself in a little bit of the carnation, pink carnation. It is such an awesome color, I love it. Dots and dashes, dots and hash marks. I want to put a dot of all the colors in now. I'm trying to make them offset so that they don't create a pattern anywhere. I still want the Chantilly lace. Let's make sure I got the right bottle this time. Just a little white sparkly diamonds. And don't lift up. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Don't lift up so fast and get out that you can't stop a little tail from forming. Like that. Well, that's pretty cool. So it could have been a stage 1, but it wasn't. I like it the way it is. I love you guys. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys that I do sell my artwork, and if you're looking for more videos, there's 2,400 of them. I've got some beautiful paint right in my little container, and if I want it, I could probably use it cautiously. It's probably not a risk worth taking. I kind of like just what I've got. I'll just put this on my Lola Fee silicone mat. So thank you guys for the thumbs up. Really appreciate you watching. And if you're interested in the 2,400 videos, they're organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And they're on playlists, and you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and looking for playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Now if there are any bubbles, and I see one, I'm going to look for them and pop them with something sharp. In this case, it's a knitting needle. I could torch. Oh, I see a bunch of them. I just love these colors, and they are going to look so fabulous when they shimmer. If you're going to straighten anything out, be really careful about it. Alright, I got myself a new flashlight. I'm not sure if it's going to shimmer well or not, but I'm willing to try. It's very bright. So those colors speak for themselves. I guess I don't need to worry about much of anything with this. I might want to allow myself to fill in just a little bit with something. But if I try and straighten anything out, then all of them are going to need to be straightened out. So it is what it is. It's flying rainbow sticks or whatever. And hopefully you can see the shimmer. I can see the shimmer. I can also see that dog hair. The question is, can I get it out? Yes, I can. Yay. Alright, so Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on my link tree. Underneath my link tree, my email address. I do sell my artwork. I think I mentioned that already. Spring clothing is under the video. Woo, that's impressive. This sort of turned out just like I love it. Great colors. I can't wait to see it dry. It'll probably call me to want to put some resin in. I know, I said I wasn't going to straighten anything out. And I might be sorry I try. But that big lump is just talking to me. Okay, so please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching longer. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Any shopping you do there helps me out at no added cost to you. Thank you for making donations through the PayPal link on the lower right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or on my link tree. And when you do, you'll gain an invitation to be in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes included at the beginning of the exhibition video I put on the end screen of this video. I love you guys. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. I should zoom in a little bit, but it's mostly, there's no cells. It's all just beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful colors. It actually looks better out here, I think. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. I'm sure I forgot something. Priscilla out.